Good morning, friends. Welcome to Indian Travel Online. Today we offer Kullu Manali Volvo tour package, 4 night, 5 days, and this package start 7,500 rupees only. With the best tour itinerary, day 1 Delhi to Manali. On arrive at Delhi airport railway station, proceed to bus stop to catch the Volvo bus to Manali in the evening at 5 p.m. overnight journey in the bus. Day 2 Manali sightseeing. Morning on arrive, our driver will pick up you and transfer to the hotels. Check in the hotel, afternoon breakfast, visit local places like Hidimba Devi temples, Manu temples, Vasish temples, clubhouse, monastery. By car, evening free to visit Mall Road, dinner and overnight stay at the hotels. Day 3 Manali to Rohtang Pass. After breakfast, visit Koti George, Gulba, Marahi, Rohtang Pass, tourist spot in the Himalaya having snow all 12 months. Is the most visited tourist spots. You can enjoy skiing, snow scooters and other adventure activities here. Evening drive back to hotels, dinner and overnight stay at the hotels. Day 4 Manali to Kullu Manikan and come back to Manali. After breakfast, morning Aksar season to Kullu and Manikan. Enjoy rafting and Kullu market by cabs. Return to Manali to explore the town on your own. Overnight stay at the hotels. Day 5 Manali to Delhi. After breakfast, free for market and afternoon enjoy. In evening, travel by bus, Volvo coach from Manali to Delhi. Overnight journey. Friends, this package inclusions comprehensive package for 3 nights, 4 days in deluxe room, welcome drinks, on arrival, bed tea, evening tea, Indian American breakfast and dinners. Free use all recreations facilities available at hotels. Entry to Disco Thew in deluxe and super deluxe package. Local sightseeing by car, full day sightseeing to Rohtang Pass, Snow Point by car. Full day sightseeing in Kullu and Manikan by car, 2 AC Volvo from Delhi to Manali and Manali to Delhi, inclusive all the taxis, no any hidden cost. Friends, if you want any information or booking, please call to Indian Travel Online. He explain very well and also they give you current deals and offers. Thanks. Goodbye.